Good afternoon. Welcome to Purple Porcupine Scentsy. Today we are going to walk through how to close out an order in your workstation. So I have an order for a customer that I have been working on, and we are going to go ahead and close that out for her. So you go to orders and you find the one you're closing out. I happen to be closing out this one that says Janine's Scented Social. Notice that my customer has 2 half-price items and $38.50 in host credit. And this at the top says 0 PRV, but that's only because I don't have any hand-entered orders. The actual host base is $385, and that's the PRV that I'm currently earning. So I'm going to click on Host Cart, and that's going to bring me in here where the host credit is. See right here where it has this $5 host reward fee? That's because I haven't spent all the money in my host credits. So I have to spend all of my host credits or it's going to charge me that $5. So I'm going to go into host credits, and my customer wants the Love Your Journey warmer, and she's got a couple bars that she picked as well. So I'm going to start by trying to save her a little bit of money by putting that in a bundle for her. So the Love Your Journey warmer is a $35 warmer. So I'm going to go right here where it says redeem host credit. I'm going to type system to bring up the Scentsy systems. It's a $35 warmer, so I'm going to choose that and add it. And then it's going to ask me which warmer, and I want the Love Your Journey warmer. Notice I didn't have to type the whole thing. If I just start typing it, it'll bring things up in the search. And then for her bars, she wants Mahalo Coconut, and it's automatically just going to search for the bars, Oh Snapdragon, and Paradise Punch. Then I'm going to save and add the bundle. Then so I've spent all of my money. I actually spent $50 and she only had $38. So you'll see down here that there's $11.50 remaining that has to be paid by her as the consultant. As the hostess. So she also has 2 half-price items. So I'm going to go over here. And additionally, she wanted the Serene warmer. And I believe I had her pick 2 additional scents. Yes, I did. So she wanted the Serene warmer. And it's a $40 warmer. Now, if it had been the same $35 warmer, then I could have done the perfect Scentsy, which is the bigger one that has 2 warmers and 6 bars. But because the warmers were not the same price, I can't do it that way. So Scentsy system, $40 warmer. I'm going to add it so I can build my bundle. And we are doing the Serene warmer. Now, one of the things to remember is that we cannot use apricot vanilla bar. We cannot use credits or half-price items on anything that is licensed. So nothing Disney, nothing sports related, nothing like that. And we can't use it on the whiff box, unfortunately. Okay, so we got the Mahalo, the apricot vanilla, blue agave, and aloha citrus. So that pack is now done. So she still has half-price items. She had a couple of other things that she wanted. She has 3 car circles, 3 scent circles that she chose. So I'm going to search for circle, and it'll come up right here, and I have 3 scent circles. I'm going to put that in. And she wanted the hibiscus pineapple, the apple cherry strudel, and the aloha citrus. Okay, so if I go up here now, I can see I've used all of my host credit and I've used all of my host half-price items. Now, as soon as your party is over $200, there's a secret half-price item. This is the perpetual reward. It's on that party summary page, and I always try to use my perpetual reward for my host or for another guest in the party. So some people use it as their party gift, and that's where they put their party gift in as a perpetual reward, and it gets shipped to, well, you can ship it to anybody, but you'll have to pay shipping. But if it can be shipped with the party to the hostess, then you can assign it to anybody you want. Otherwise, I use this as just a little extra bonus half price item for my hostess. So when I go through here, my hostess also wanted some light bulbs, so I'm going to put a purple light bulb in for her. And it's going to use that half price item, and it's kind of a waste, but whatever. If we can save $1 here or there, then it's worth it. And then she also wanted a green light bulb. Oops. Sorry, the puppy's having a freak out over the landscaper today. All right, so at this point, I have everything that my customer wanted ordered, and everything is ready to be closed out. And if I look right here, you'll see that on my party summary, I do have my perpetual. It was assigned to the host. I go down here to host cart. You'll see that I have spent all of my host credit. I have used all of my host half price. And I had one item in retail, that green bulb, because I didn't have any other place to put it. So I have this Scentsy system that used all of my host credit except for $11. I have this Scentsy system that was purchased half price for $27. The 3 cent circles purchased half price for $4. The purple light bulb purchased as a perpetual party reward, which is just an extra half price item, for $1, and then the green light bulb. If you look down here, it says I have $13.30 in PRV. The reason for that is that you only get PRV on things that are overages. So PRV is only what's after the host credits. You do not get PRV on half price items. So the remaining total is $11.30 here, and then the $2 in PRV down here, that's what's making up the $13.30. We paid full price for the light bulb. We had $11 over on our credit, $31 over on the half price items, and $1 over on the perpetual party reward, making her total for her party closeout $45.80. But it's always important to estimate the total with tax and shipping, because obviously she needs to pay tax and shipping on her order. So when I click on that, it's going to bring up the shipping and handling. Yes, it's only $2.29 because this is her party order, and party shipping is always cheaper. So in her party order, the shipping is $2.29, the tax is $6.95, and her actual total from my customer will be $55.04. Okay. And then I will go back to the cart. And if I look down here, these are all the people who ordered from her party. And those can't be changed because they were ordered through the website. So if I had something I needed to enter by hand, like I wanted to order some products for myself, or her mom wanted to order something, I can do that and just add another guest, and it'll add another cart for me. So now I'm going to check out. So I click checkout. And I go down here. And this is an important page to check. This is party shipping options. And notice it says 10 days to ship, yada, yada. Okay, but it gives the person's name and their address and the delivery, and it tells me the price. And if I get over here and it has multiple shipping costs, but they're all shipping to that person, I need to go back and check my shipping settings because I might have set something incorrectly. And if you need help with that, you can ask your leader or you can message me directly. So I click continue because the shipping information is correct. It will bring me to this page and it will say Janine Lessie, $55.04. It'll have the shipping again. It'll have the tax again. It'll have the total again. And then it's going to ask me how I want to pay. So it's up to you how you want to pay. If the customer wants to give you their credit card information, they can do that. I don't usually like to do that. I generally have them pay me through Venmo or Cash App or Facebook Pay, and then I just put it on my card, or if it's Facebook Pay, it goes to PayPal directly, and I use my PayPal to pay for it. Like I said, I don't generally like to pay with a customer's card because I don't like having their card information in my hand. And then you're going to click down here, pay $55.04 to submit. The order is going to go through and you're going to get a confirmation. And then this party will disappear from your dashboard. So when I go back out here to open orders, this party right here, the one that we just did all the credits and everything on, once I pay for that, that party will be gone off my dashboard. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you need help with closing an order further, or if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to check in with me by shooting me a message or by messaging your upline or your leader, and they will be able to get in contact with me to ask your question if they don't know the answer already. Again, this is Michelle Nowinski with Purple Porcupine Scentsy. Have a wonderful day.